Let's go. What do we got with Bonk going on? We're going to talk about this. We are at a key level for the Bonk followers out there. Now, this has been one that has been absolutely exploding up in my portfolio to the tune of over 100% in a few weeks. Do we have more in store? Well, I'm going to share the portfolios with you. We're going to dig deep into the technicals when it comes to the Bonkster and see where we can go from here. I have to look at it and figure out, is it time to drop 5 figures into Bonk, or is it time to lock up what I have and just walk away? That's what we're going to tease it a little bit here, let you know, look at it and much more. So there's a lot going on. Let me know what altcoin down below you're watching, and more importantly, hit the like button. Let's get this thing over 2 likes, huh? 2. Hey, this you guys know I have another channel, obviously 700,000 subscribers, and you guys are here. This is my new Crypto Mo channel. Hit the like. Let's get this thing over 100,000 subscribers. That would be great. Now, for those who do not know, I do have the Academy. You know, I got the new webinar out there, as I always have technical difficulties. First link down below. We had to open up 2,500 spots because we didn't have enough. Everybody said, I can't get in. So click that first link, sign up for your framework here. It's free. It shows you how to learn the technicals, and it's by me, and it's an hour long. It's awesome. And of course, Moo, I should say the 50% off code July expires in like 3 days. So that's the second link. Make sure you hit the earner tier, get in here, take advantage. I'll be live stream trading tomorrow. We'll have some good times. We have the portfolio, we have the 36 lessons, we have the bots, we have the charts, we have it all. So it's next level. Come on over and join us. And what else we got down there? The Moo, third link down below. They have a huge thing. The 8.1% APY risk-free up to 3 months. 5 free stocks for deposit 100. Get all 25 for $2,000. Put $5,000 or more and you get all 60. But this expires in like 2 or 3 days. It's one of the best opportunities out there. Definitely take advantage of that. Now, let's go. Bonk. Where are we at, family? What's going on? What's happening out there in the world of the Bonkster? We got a lot of good things in terms of the portfolios and what's happening and this, that, and the other thing. Let's go to show you what Bonk's done with, the old saying, what have you done for me lately? Bonk for me, I have about almost 80,000 Bonk. This thing, you can see, average price, 1261. Current price, you can see we're up 3327. Could this thing drop a zero off? That's my goal. That's what I want to see. But right now, you can see 163% up, not complaining. 30,791 on the low, on the what I call the small account challenge portfolio. So I did this over time. You guys can see. Got a couple free over here, which is always nice. And then the rest I bought. And the worst performer, Ondo. Ondo? No, not Ondo. Worst performer that I bought would be Polkadot. That's not, there you go. Ondo, I would have thought would have did well, but nope. XRP doing nice, make me the most money. No, take that back. Bonk's it, man. Bonk's where it's at. It just blows my mind. Ether up 91% on average for me. A lot of good buys. I did a lot of things in here, so we'll continue to see how this goes moving forward. I think, yep, and we'll keep an eye on it. So I want to move into the Bonk. Let's talk about Bonk. You guys know I do altcoins on this channel mostly. And so for those who are like, I want to hear about different things than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, that's why you want this channel. That's why we created it. To go ahead and give focus and give you the best altcoins that I see. The altcoins, such as like today, it's Bonk, the Bonk price prediction. Is it one of the best cryptos to buy now? Or should we be packing our bags, taking my gains and running for the door? Hint, I'm not doing that. And now I'm going to show you why. One on the daily candles. One, you can see we got up there way overbought. Came down, teased the 5. If the 5 holds, we should be good, and it is. But we fail right here. And we come down, we tease the 13. Now we go back up, tease the 13 again. Now back up, back down to the 13 again. What you do not want is a confirmation underneath the 13 of these candles, a close underneath, and then a new opening closing candle underneath that. And I will tell you, I would believe we are going down to the 50 EMA, which would put us at about 25. Zeros, all the zeros, 25. But right now we're all the zeros 33, and I don't need to see a 20% clip off the price. I like I like what I'm seeing here. The lines are changing, the EMAs are changing, but if you take a look at what we got right here, that channel's been pretty intact. And I think a stock mo unicorn's coming soon. And what I mean by that, boom. That's where you get this run, it's over, pop up we go. And you're seeing the RSI come down as it needed to. It's still a 60. It's still a little hot. Not bad. I like between 50 and 60. Bouncing off the 13 EMA is something I think that we'll probably see for this. Not the confirmation, but the consolidation here. It's been going on for about 2 weeks. That's okay. I'm okay. And I know today, for anybody following the 4-hour chart, wow. All right. These are the 4-hour candles. Check this out. We had it seemed like it was going to be a nice run today. No. Look, you see it all the way up here. No. Way overbought. Broke the Bollinger Band. This is why you learn the technicals. If you're not hitting that first link down below to learn the technicals so you can see when we're overbought, you're missing out. You need this in your tool chest. All right. Now, let's take a look more. See the consolidation, which seems like forever, which it does feel that way. And everybody's waiting for the next leg higher. Now, the bad news. Take a look at the 4-hour candle. We had 1 time, 2 times that we kind of consolidated below, or confirmed below right here. Confirm. Kind of what I call a bottle rocket on this one, where we should run up, above, back down, and back up. And now, I would even say right here was a confirmation. So now you got this monster underneath again. And so I am expecting on the next 4-hour candle that we will push back up, but there's no guarantees. And this is kind of what I'm watching for. Now, overall on that daily, I'll continue to say it, it is exactly what we would expect in terms of just the sideways. Until we break this support here at 32.6, if that confirmed below 32.6, I think we're going down to the 50. In other words, a closing candle under here, another one underneath that, down to the 50 EMA, I believe we would go. So there's your bonk update. And I wanted to throw in a SHIB update, something, give you the Shiba Inu coin price prediction. This is the daily candles. So what I saw, you can see the stock mo unicorn, we got it. We come down, and we're going to wait and see if this confirms down. You get that crossover of the 5 and the 13, massive sell-off on that news. Where do you expect it to hold once we see this? Right here at the 50. The 50. Right here, we're almost there. You can see it just click down again. Once it hits that 50, you get a lot of support. You get the buying right here as well. So 13, 18. I'm watching this. I am watching this. May take a small position to swing off of this area here. In other words, I expect in the next 48 hours to see a bottom and then hopefully a bounce back up. RSI dipped under 48. Under 50, which we don't want, is down to 48. We want to see that thing bounce back up, show some strength. So the next, just say 24 hours, man. The next candle's key. If it does come underneath, obviously that puts the 48 candles or the 48 hours where we see the next 2 to see if it confirms underneath the 50 and this support. If so, we're going low. We're going low, folks. Buckle up. If we bounce off the 50 as I expect, well, let's go, man. Get the rocket ignited and start running with this thing. So a lot going on in terms of the altcoins. I'm watching these two. I bought a little bit of Doge yesterday. Late last night. Why? Because we see it on the 13. I was taking a chance that we were going to bounce and run up, and this came out today to greet me. So nothing I can do about that, of course, and that's something I just deal with. And we'll see if it does give me a bounce back above the 13. If this does cross under the 13, I expect to go all the way down to the 50. And I have a stop on this, I think 22 on the dot. So if that happens, I'm out. See ya. And that's what happens. So there's your update for all of the Bonk price prediction, kind of my Dogecoin price prediction, Shiba Inu price prediction. There you go. Now, if you haven't done it, I will say it again, folks. Take advantage of this, the 4-step framework. This is what a lot of people, how do you set it up? How do I learn to do it? Well, now you got it. And I told you before, it's like Elon saying the hardest part of building a Tesla wasn't building a car, wasn't building the factory. It was building the factory that builds the factories. Well, the hardest part of technicals isn't the actual technicals, it's learning how to learn them. And that's what this is about, from a national champion coach in investing. And there you go. So it took us a long time to run this up. You guys can now take advantage of that down below. Second link gets you over to our Discord, where you can join here. 50% off. It's a couple more days. It's almost over. And then lastly, the Moo. Big time. All this free stuff. Take advantage of it. It expires in 3 days as well. For those looking for the crypto promos we had, just hit the more. We have the free XRP from Gemini, the free USDG. You got to trade 100 or more, but you got to use these links. And then you can take advantage of these. Boom and boom. All right. That is the update for today. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you in the Discord.